Jesus Christ! It's the wrong way! Yes! Yes! Aren't you a great doggy? Five-star accommodation that Nerve promised me. This is an actual legit rocket. Oh my god, it's a bearded dragon! My freaking bike just died. You are joking. Why are you running? I just want to be buddies. Whoa, 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 alright, gotta stack. I hate sand. Why do I keep coming with Nerb to places with sand? Frick. So gents, second day, started my bike up and it died. Check engine light came on and then it died. I'm like, oh, that's so freaking good. Dicked around with it a bit, found it was just the neutral or ground was really, really loose. So I think when we were dicking around with the side switch yesterday, we did undo the battery and maybe I forgot to do it back up, but once I get that back on, should be good to go. Another day, another bike in pieces. What a dilly-dally. I don't like having to take my bike apart in the morning when you're just about to freaking leave for the day, but that's adventure riding for you. Look at these giant bloody roadkill spears on the road. Big bloody kangaroo patch. Very freaking gross, man. Alright gents, here we are, Port Augusta, last big town before we head out to the proper desert. Stock up a bit here. So this is Port Augusta, this is where I bought new tyres for the Flame Ute. And we're coming back down from Cape York. My favourite weird little restaurant. Love this place. Best place, Barnacle Bill's Seafood Restaurant in Port Augusta. We went here one time and it's such a weird little joint. And every other time it's been freaking closed, so and it's still closed now. Next time, Barnacle Bill Cafe, I will eat your tasty seafoods. I don't even like seafood. Let's go to a McDonald's or something, man. Mean goes to Macca's. Oh, there's Macca's right there. What's up? What do you want to do for breakfast? Food. What sort of food? Cafe, Macca's, breakfast, bacon and eggs, lattes, several lattes. You want to go to that McDonald's then? Yeah, sure. I'll never say no to McDonald's. Not in Melbourne anymore. Check out the bull bar in that cruiser. Have a look in the back. Nothing but blood. Grab a hog, chuck her in the ute. Piggin. Wolf Creek. Yeah. Bloody. Alright gents, remember when we were dicking around with the clutch on this? Well, Craig just had .4 oil to put in his clutch, but if you see here, it's a Magura mineral oil clutch, so that's going to destroy his clutch, the .4 in it. So we had to get some mineral oil, and we checked all the motorcycle stores and none of them had it. We checked like a car auto shop and that didn't have it, and then I remembered, I'm like, oh, my e-bike has mineral oil disc brakes. I know that because it says it on it. I remembered, so I'm like, oh, I'll try a cycling shop. So we're at this really crappy looking dilapidated shop in Port Augusta, and he said he's got a bottle of mineral oil, so there you go, mineral oil. It's from the 70s. So while those guys are doing their clutch flush over there, I noticed my chain was getting looser and looser and looser. So I just whipped it off and gonna tighten it up a bit because it's a really bad kink in it and it looks too loose. So we'll fix that up now. Jesus. No fuel for 130 k's, no problem. Except we're doing dirt, so it'll probably be even further. It's gonna hit some wind, Nerve will probably duck through it. I'm gonna take it like a man. Oh, it's a big truck! Big truck! Ooh, Jesus Christ. Like hitting a brick wall of wind. Heading out to Nowhereville now. Around the corner from absolute nothing town. I did stock up on Jack Daniels though, so we got the good supplies. You can tell when it's like something serious or like defense land when there's warning signs like literally every 10 meters. I guess that's so like you do get caught in there, you can't be like, well, I didn't see the sign, because they're like, well, there's a sign every 10 meters, dickhead, so you probably did. Just danger and like explosives and definitely like South Australian defense land or something. Friggin' wheelie, eh? To celebrate the next 1,000 kilometers of off-road dirt, let's do a friggin' the wind is gonna kill me though. Too windy to wheelie. Can't do it, can't see. Oh, it's a Unimog. Radical. Oh, I want a freaking Unimog. Hashtag goals. Oh, frick yeah. That'd be sick out here, man. Unimog with a camera on the back. Frick yeah. We got goats. Shit, I thought they were dingoes for a second. Thought they were wild dogs for a second. Nah, they're billy goats. Hello, billy goats. Thought they were bloody dingoes. Gonna have to put the baby away. Australian outback desert is a bit different to the normal kind of desert. A lot of our deserts are red sand, as you can see. Sand is all red because Australia has a lot of iron in it, I think, and iron rusts, and rust red, that's why it's red, I think. I don't know. I'm sure Nerv would know. I just pretend to say shit that I think's right. It changes all over Australia, but the vast majority of it looks a lot like this. What the frick? There's a submarine here. And in the outback, you'll always find submarines. I see that every day. So it says submarine, Mount Ives Station. I think it's a real submarine. Greg is in the submarine. This is the busy, bustling town of Mount Ives. A lot of people out here. That's a nice solar arrays over there. Oh, that one looks doable. Hey, Motology Films. At Riemann. Adam Riemann 1. Riemann. Unless someone else has just put his sticker there. You should put a Super Adventure Squad sticker there.
Yeah, I haven't got any left.
Ah. Hey, buddy. Hey, little one. You like that, don't you? Oh yeah, like them chest rubs. Ooh, little Joey. Ooh. Well, you just sit around all day feeding these guys. They're gonna get so fat. Ooh, you should be hopping around, getting your own food.
This one's not so friendly.
Not so friendly?
Hey, Jojo. She's a bit nervous.
His name's Jojo.
This is Jojo. The little one's Pixie and the other one's Pippa.
Anyway, that was the town of Mount Ives. Where is Mount Ives? There. 280 metres tall. Not very tall. I thought I saw the sign that said Gawler Ranges, and I was like, are we going that way? I saw Nev blast off at top speed. Yeah, I thought so. Ooh, it's me doing a wheelie. Whoa! I can't see anything. I can't see anything. I'll do the gate this time. I never do the gate. Everyone will yell at me. Subscribers, they'll be like, nah, you never help. You always just sit there and film. It's true. Take it too long. Take it too long. Take it too long. Gates closing. Gates closing. What does this say? Warning, nuclear test plant. That'll do. Looks like there's weather in the air. God, you don't want to rain out here, man. You get flooded to shit. When it does rain in the desert, bad. Ugh, we're gonna turn into like muddy sludge. How good is it, eh? What's the phone number for the helicopter again?
No, we're all together. We don't need a helicopter.
1-800 helicopter, bring a big one. You, kangaroo. I'm following you, kangaroo. Where are you leading me, kangaroo? Ah, I can't go down there, kangaroo. I'm gonna try. Oh, now I'm stuck. Jesus. How do I get out, kangaroo? I don't know. Let's go the hard way. Take some shortcuts and shit. Make it trickier. Gonna ride out here. It's nice. Oh, speedy freaking emus! Oh, look at him go! Little Kankin! Look at him go. His head's down. He's freaking going for it, mate. He could just hide in the bushes, but nah, mate, he's gonna keep running sideways. Yes. Jesus. He's quick, man. He's doing 40 through trees and shit. Oh, there's a kangaroo. Bloody Australia, mate. Home of the freaking funniest animals there are. Well, gents, here we are now. What is it, third campsite? I don't even know anymore. Forgetting. We're in Gawler National Park. Just set up here. We've got some rain today, so the bike's a little bit dirty. But it was all good, as long as it doesn't rain tonight. But the bivvy's good. Bivvy can handle it. Nerb's excelling on this hard rock. The hammock wins.
Hammock wins, hands down. I'm going to a tarp.
Until the hammock police come and fine him $4,000 for having a hammock.
No hammocks.
No hammocks. Hammocks can't be more than a metre squared. Whoop. Nope. Nope.
Where is Tom going?
Where you going, Mr. Gecko? Where you going, Mr. Gecko friend? Hey, buddy. Little gecko friend.
Yeah, but not when it's not.
Come on, you give me a brand deal for quad lock. There you go. Whoop. All right, gents, got the campfire going. So all I use is a titanium pot, but I need a stick to be able to grab the pot, put it in the fire. So I've selected a fine specimen, but I want the end to be there. I could try and break it, but I would risk wrecking it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my trusty Leatherman. I'm going to saw that bit off right now. Riveting TV this is. Perfect for getting under there. And it's, you know, got the little happy bit at the end. Done. People call me Russell Coit because I'm so handy.